In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide columns in Google Sheets easily. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or organizing your own data, knowing how to hide and unhide columns can be a valuable skill to have. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your Google Sheet. This is your starting point, so go ahead and navigate to the Google Sheets app and open the document you're working on. Once you have your sheet open, you might notice that some columns are hidden. These hidden columns can sometimes make navigating and interpreting your data a bit challenging, so let's tackle how to reveal them. Next, locate the column headers at the top of your spreadsheet. These are labeled A, B, C, and so on. You'll want to click on the column just to the right of the hidden column. For instance, if column C is hidden, click on column C header. You should see a slight highlight indicating that this column is selected. Once you've selected the hidden column, perform a right-click on your mouse. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. In this menu, you'll see the option labeled Hide Column. But since you've done this already to hide the column before, we are now going to focus on revealing or unhiding hidden sections. Now, here's where the magic happens to unhide those columns. Move your mouse pointer gently between the column headings of the visible columns flanking your hidden column. So, for our example, place your pointer between B and D. You might notice a small icon showing right or left arrows. This icon is a signal that there is a hidden column. Once you see these arrows, click on them. This action will immediately reveal the hidden column, allowing you to see and interact with the data that was previously hidden. Alternatively, there's another straightforward method to unhide your column. You can select the entire columns that surround the hidden one. In our example of a hidden column C, you would click on both column labels B and D to highlight them together. After selecting these columns, right-click again, and this time look for the option in the menu that says Unhide Columns. Click on that option, and the hidden columns will appear back in your view. With these two simple methods, you can easily maneuver between hiding and unhiding columns, streamlining your data organization in Google Sheets. Feel free to use whichever method feels most intuitive to you. Remember, mastering these small tasks can significantly boost your efficiency in managing data within Google Sheets. And there you have it. Now you know how to effortlessly unhide columns in your Google Sheets document. With this knowledge, you can keep your spreadsheets clear and organized, making your data management tasks that much more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.